They're gonna test any minute.
Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming east 10 to 15 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of rain 20%. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Saturday, mostly sunny. A slight chance of afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Highs around 90. Chance of rain 20%.
There it is, 11 o'clock.
Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Sunday, mostly sunny with a chance of showers and thunderstorms.
Gonna be interrupt their broadcast here in a second.
Chance of rain 40%. The weather roundup at 10 a.m. At Melbourne, mostly sunny skies. Temperature 87, dew point 77, humidity 72%, making the heat index 99. Wind west at 10 miles. Pressure 29.95 inches and rising. Elsewhere.
Get ready, y'all.
Titusville, partly sunny.
Should be testing any second.
100. Wind west at 6 miles per hour. Patrick Air Force Base, mostly sunny.
It kind of dissipates. So right now, no rain, really heavy in our Zeeland counties. We have a pop-up shower near Crescent City, just to the south of Georgetown right now. That's popping up pretty quickly. We're expecting a lot more. We're going to have a high today of 95, heated.
Here they go. Here goes the 120.
Required weekly
I know.
test. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. Specially built receivers are activated by the signal to warn of severe weather or other hazards. Tests are normally conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 and 8 p.m. If severe weather is expected on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next day, weather permitting. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning signals, can vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can result even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Warning alarm tones are activated on transmitters for counties where the signal is reliably received, in sufficient strength for consistent and dependable service. For station KIH-26 in Daytona Beach, warning alerts will be activated for Volusia, Flagler, Putnam, Lake, Seminole, Brevard, and Orange counties. For station KIH-63 in Orlando, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Lake, Orange, Osceola, Polk, Seminole, and Volusia counties. For station WXJ70 in Melbourne, warning alerts will be activated for Brevard, Indian River, Orange, and Osceola counties. For station WWF69 in Fort Pierce, warning alerts will be activated for Indian River, Martin, Okeechobee, and St. Lucie counties. This has been a test of the NOAA radio public warning system. We now return to the regular broadcast. The weather roundup at 10 a.m.
Nice.